When you're comparing decimals, you're going to be using a greater than, less than, or equal to symbol. So when you're comparing decimals, it's really important to know your place value. And when you're given two numbers that have a decimal, you're going to want to line them up by the decimal so that you can compare each place value with the other place value. So for example, we have 3 and 4/10, and then we have 3 and 4/100. Now, it is easy to look at this number and think that it's bigger because it has more digits, but that is not always the case. So when we line them up by their decimals, we have 3 and 4/10, and then we have the 3 and 4/100. We're going to look at the place value. So when we look at the ones place, they both have a 3. So far up to this point, they are equal to each other. But then when we look to the tenths place, which is one place value behind the decimal, then we compare the 4 and the tenths place here with the 0 and the tenths place here. Well, 4 is bigger than 0, so therefore this number here would be larger than the 3 and 4/100. So then you would take your inequality symbol, your greater than or your less than, and you would put the correct symbol in the middle. So since 3 and 4/10 is greater than 3 and 4/100, you would have the large end opening up towards the greater number. So therefore 3 and 4/10 would be greater than 3 and 4/100.